Hello guys, today we'll create a website using Beaver Builder without using any templates. Okay, we see that there are multiple templates we can easily use from Beaver Builder and we can easily get it done. But today we will set up our web page step by step without using any templates. Okay, so this is our blank page, you can see. So let's create first. So this is our home page, and once you logged in, just click on Beaver Builder at the top of your admin panel. Okay, once you so what should be the layout for our web page? So we always know that the first section always before a hero section, like a banner section. Okay, so let's create a banner first. So in that case, just click on plus symbol, and you can see the rows. Okay, and then column, you can see the pre-built rows. Okay, you can see the heroes. So once you click on heroes, you can see there are multiple things. Okay, you can see, suppose you would like to use this section on your banner area, you can just drag and drop over there in the banner. Okay, now you can see this is our banner. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, so this is our banner. You can easily change our title, description, sort, and these are the listing area and the buttons as well. So this is our banner area. We can reduce the banner. So how we can reduce the banner height? Just click on setting option. Okay, and go to the style. You can see the minimum height, it's now 19. Just I'm doing 60. Okay, so you can see 60, 70 is perfect, or 80. Okay, let's do it for 80. And the spacing margin top should be 0 and padding should be 0. Okay, bottom 0 and bottom padding bottom 0. Okay, and then save the changes, and after that done and publish. So the first step is done. Okay, so the banner section is done. Now we will add our about us section. Okay, with short description. So again click on Beaver Builder, and go to the plus symbol, click on plus symbol, again click on rows, click on columns, and then pre-built rows. Okay, now you can see your multiple sections over there. Content. Okay, just click on content. So we'll use some content. Okay, you can see this kind of contents over there. Okay, we will create about sections. So let's use this one. Okay, let's use this one for about us section. Okay, or something like this one. Okay, we will use this one as about us section. Okay, just drag and drop over there. Okay, now you can see. Okay, we just remove these, or you can change the title called about us. Okay, for the consistency we can use the same button background. So click on this and go to the style. You can see background colors would be this. Just copy. Okay, just copy, and then go to this button style, and you can change your background color as well. Paste. You can see background color has been changed. Otherwise you can do one thing, just copy this button and then drag and drop over there. then you just remove this one. So the button is consistent, right? So our banner section is done, about us section is done. Okay, let's see, publish, and it's reloading the page. Okay, the banner section is this is the about us section. Okay, so banner and about us section is done. Okay, now if you like to create a services section, you can just go to Beaver Builder, click on plus symbol again, go to rows, columns, and pre-built rows. Okay, you can see the features area. Okay, so this is a features area. You can easily use this as a you can easily use this section as a services. Suppose there are 3 services you would like to display on your website, so you can easily use this structure. Just drag and drop below the about us section. Okay, like this. Change the title called our services. Okay, you can change this services title as well. Services 1, services 2, services 3. Okay, you can add your services link on the read more button. You can see the link. Okay, you can change the read more button name as well, text as well, and you can just paste your link over there for read more button. Okay, now save the changes and done, and then publish. So now you can see our banner section is done, about us section is done, and our services section also done. Now you would like to use testimonial section or something like that. Suppose in your website layout you are willing to add your testimonial area, okay, below the services section. So how you can do that? Okay, again go to the Beaver Builder option, and click on plus symbol, and then rows, then columns, and pre-built rows. Okay, then just scroll down again, you can see the testimonials. Just click on testimonials. You can see there are multiple demos for the testimonials, so as per your need you can easily use this kind of testimonial. Okay, suppose I would like to display my latest 3 testimonials on the home page, so we'll use this one. Okay, you can see there are multiple layout. Okay, let's use this one. Just drag and drop below the services section. That should be always the row. You can see new row and then paste. Now you can see. Also you'd like to use the title, then just copy this title, duplicate this title, and just drag and drop above the testimonials area like this. Okay, you can see I'm just changing the title, our testimonials. Okay, then save the changes. You can also see there are a lot of space. Just reduce the space. You can see the margin 60, just do it 30. You can see the space reduced to 20. Okay, fine. So this is our testimonials area. You can see there are latest 3 testimonials are displaying. Okay, you can change the testimonials author headshot, Okay, the title and the content and the star as well. Okay, and after that, done and publish. Okay, now you can see our homepage is almost ready to go. The banner section is done, about us section is done, our services section also done. Okay, we just added our testimonials here. Now if you like to add your form, contact form, you can add. Okay, so let's go to your beaver builder option. You can use multiple form like a gravity form, contact form 7, or default contact form which is from beaver builder. Okay, so if you would like to use a default form which come from beaver builder, you can just go to plus symbol. Okay, and then you can see the option for form. Let's see now. You can see the contact form. So before you use contact form, just uh, add a row first. Okay, this row. Okay, I'm just adding this row. Okay, this row, and row should be full width. Save, and then go to the plus symbol again. Okay, then modules. You can see the option for contact form. Okay, just drag and drop over there. You can see the send to email. That means when user submit the form, the admin will get the notification. Okay, suppose something like this. Okay, you can see the fields, your name, your email, your message. Okay, you can see. Okay, and save the changes, and then just add a title, something like this. Just duplicate the above title and drag and drop below the services like this. Okay, I am just changing the text, something like this. Get in touch. Okay, now at the bottom of the area, if you like to create a ribbon, okay, call to action, something like call to action section. So how you can add that? Just click on plus symbol again and go to the rows, click on columns, and then again pre-build rows. You can see there is option called call to action. Okay, just click on call to action. You can see there are multiple layouts you can use. Okay, you can use this one. So let's use this one. Below the you can use below the contact form or above the contact form, whatever you need. You can. I'm just using above the contact form. Okay, now you can see that this is our contact form ribbon section. You can change your title in the heading section of the ribbon. Okay, you can add your link, button link over there. You can change the button text, something like this, contact us. Okay, you can change the button link as well. Okay, you can use a new window or no follow, whatever you want. You can then save the changes. Okay, once you're done, just click on done and then publish. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so our home page is ready. This is our navigation area. You can add your multiple menus, the logos as well. And now this is your banner section. Okay, this is your about us section as well. This is our services section. This is our testimonials and the ribbon, and after that get in touch, and then the footer. You can change the footer text as well. Okay, so you can see we can easily create a simple layout without using any templates. Okay, I'm just use a default modules from beaver builder. Okay, so you can see our home page is ready to go. So if you have a design, like a PSD design or something like Figma design, you can use that design, okay, one step by step, and you can easily implement that design on your Beaver Builder website using Beaver Builder plugin. If you have any question, please let me know and we'll sort this out. Okay, thank you.